Hello, penny pickers. My name is Dehan, and welcome back to your number one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be making a list of top penny stocks to buy right now in the month of February. So we're going to be looking at 4 to buy that are trading at under $3. So 4 penny stocks trading under the $3 right now. Let's dive on in and check them on out. So as always, guys, these penny stocks are going to be very, very volatile. So before you invest, make sure you do your due diligence and your own research as well. So the first penny stock on the list is going to be Globalstar Inc. So Globalstar Inc. is one of the popular communications penny stocks we've discussed in the past. Shares have managed to jump by more than 200% since the start of 2021. One of the important things to note is that the company has exposure to the 5G arena. As more search for the top 5G penny stocks, Globalstar has come up frequently in the conversations. However, there's a bigger story that has been developing over the last few months. Recently, the company announced that the next step to this latest initiative, Globalstar, had some leadership changes that would be more in line with growth in the commercial Internet of Things industry, IoT. In particular, the company has been signing deals that utilize Globalstar satellite imaging, tracking, and spectrum solutions. These deals include companies like Nokia, which licensed and developed Globalstar's Band 53 spectrum technology at the Port of Seattle last month. The company also signed a deal with the livestock tracking company SiNtx. Globalstar is supplying satellite services throughout the world's first and only smart ear tag for traceability provinces, biosecurity, health, animal welfare, production improvement, and theft reduction. So this one is going to be ticker symbol GSAT. This one was down about 1.89% on the day, down about 2 cents, but it was up about, it's trading at around $1.04 right now. As we can see, this stock was trading at a support level at around 30 cents, 32 cents. Pretty much for the past 12 months, it's been trading at this level. Now we see at the beginning of the year, we got some volume picking up. Volume went from about 1 or 2 million shares daily to about 132 million shares right here. We even had 156 million shares and then even 168 million shares. The stock jumped from 34 cents all the way to highs up here of about $1.17. So over a 200% gain. We obviously got a little bit overbought. We saw a little bit of a pullback. The stock pulled back to down here about 87 cents. Then we saw that volume pick up once again, and the stock jumped on up to new highs of about $1.48. So from that 30 cents to $1.48, that's a pretty decent jump of about 400% gain. Now, once again, we saw a little bit of a pullback right here, trading at around this $1 area. So, we continue to see this, overbought situation, pull back down, overbought situation, pull back down. Now, what we're going to be looking forward to in the next few weeks is going to be another push of volume to push it up and break through that previous resistance area at around $1.48. So we're going to put a price target on this one. It's going to be a $1.50 price target. If we can break through that, we can continue to make 52-week highs, and we'll have to see what happens after that. So leave a comment below letting me know what you guys think about that price target for GSAT. As always, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you for viewing this video. Go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's try to get 150 plus likes in the first 24 hours of this video being up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time we make a new video. We make videos on penny stocks, blue chip stocks, and even dividend stocks. So if that interests you, stay tuned and subscribe and turn on that bell notification. If you guys are interested in signing up for Webull and getting 4 free stocks, links in the description, sign up today. The second cheap penny stock on our list is going to be SINT Corporation. So this one, I know there's a lot of attention on companies like AMC right now, but outside of the short squeeze stocks, Entertainment Technologies has benefited greatly over the last 12 months. Thanks to the stay-at-home order and social distancing, people find new ways to satisfy their need to be entertained. In this light, you've got companies like SINT gaining some attention. So the company offers premium content and streaming solutions for its customers. Similar to Globalstar, recent deals have brought more interest to SINT. For instance, last month, the company launched its All 3 Medias, So Real, on the Roku platform. This now extends its reach on the Roku platform, offering users access to all 3 Media's catalog of reality content. The company has also partnered with likes of TLC to include all of its channels in TLC's launch of a service in certain TVs in North America. These and other developments have led to bullishness in the market. This is from both retail traders and analysts. Alliance Global recently adjusted its price target from $2 to $3. It also maintains a buy on the stock. So that is great news for us. So CIDM is currently trading at $1.32. It was down about 5% for the day. Well, it was still, pretty decent, I guess you could say. Well, this one, support level. Support level has been here around this 40 cents area pretty much, once again, for a long, long time. We traded here after this huge jump that we had here on 6/4/2020. It jumped to highs of about $6. Huge pullback all the way back down to the support level around 46 cents area. We saw a little bit of a jump here in December with about 100 million shares traded. Jumped up about, 20 cents, 30 cents. Then we made a little bit of a pullback down, and now volume is continuing to pick up as we go into the new year. And the stock went from about 62 cents to highs up here of about $1.67. So about a dollar gain, over 100%, close to 150% actually. Now, what we're going to be looking forward to do with this one is for more volume to pick up and to break through this $2 resistance. So that is going to be our price target. It's going to be $2 per share. That's the price target we're setting right now. That is the resistance area that we see. If we can break through the $2 resistance, the next one is going to be at a $3 area. And then after that, we create new ones. So right now we're going to be focused on that $2 resistance area because that is the next level that we see. We have a nice, potential of about 60, 70 cents until we get to that level. This one would be, some huge potential of about 70, 80% gains just by reaching that first target around $2. So we're going to have to see if more volumes continue to go up and how earnings go, especially with the entertainment as we have, lockdowns are still going on. The Rona is roaring and it's still continuing. It doesn't look like it's going away anytime soon. So I think this one is going to be doing very well in the long term. And coming in at the number 3 cheap penny stock is going to be SiNtx Technologies Inc. So there's been plenty of attention on communications companies, drone companies, surveillance companies, and the like. In the case of SiNtx, the company falls more on the side of the communications components for things like live video. The company said it began shipping its DVE6100 encoder for quick and secure communications transmission via satellite in its most recent update. Right now is also when the market is turning towards earnings results for the last year in Q4. While SiNtx hasn't reported yet, we see that the company is coming off a shaky Q3. Last quarter, the company saw declines in most major areas. However, since it was Rona related, management made a point to say it expected a recovery into Q4 and focused on cost savings strategies to balance things out. Something else to note that was also revealed in Q3 update was explained by the CEO. We were pleased to introduce 2 significant product lines, the DVE-IRD SATCOM encoder decoder and the IP-Link 3.0 digital microwave system. These will be followed by the introduction of the new quantum receiver in the first half of 2021. So that is actually very, very big news. Ticker symbol VISL. Currently, it was up about 3.88% for the day. It was up about 10 cents, so currently trading at $2.68. And just like the previous one, we see this huge jump here on 6.5, area. It went from about $1 all the way to about highs of $8. Then we saw a pullback literally all the way back to the previous levels, so they mirror each other pretty much. Once again, support level around this $1.30 area, and then towards the beginning of the 2021, we see volume starts to pick up. Volume is huge now, 28 million shares, 38 million shares, about 10, 15 million shares every single day now. The stock went from about $1.25 to highs here of about $3.57, but we saw a little bit of a pullback right now. The stock seems to be a little bit oversold right now. Hopefully we see a nice push with volume to push this one back up. If we can hit that resistance area at around $4 and break through it, we can continue to move on up all the way up to about $5 or $6. So the price target I'm going to be setting for VISL is going to be that $4 as I see the resistance area, and I think with some volume that we can definitely break through it. So that's where I think it's going to continue to go to. And last but not least, the 4th penny stock on our list is going to be Transenterix Inc. So this is going to be a biotech penny stock. This company develops growth hormone deficiency treatments in AEZS-130-PO2. Has been the focus recently. Now, the company's mecamorelin in diagnosing childhood onset growth hormone deficiency, a phase 3 study is expected to be initiated this quarter, so speculative optimism could also play a role right now. However, this week it is in growth hormone headlines grabbing attention. It's the Rona. So Tuesday, the company announced that it entered into an exclusive option agreement to evaluate a preclinical potential Rona vaccine developed at the Julius Maximilians University Wurzburg in Germany. The vaccine technology developed at the university uses a typhoid fever vaccine as a carrier strain. According to the company, it can be an orally active Rona SARS-CoV-2 live attenuative bacterial vaccine. Now, there's a quote right here from the chief executive officer of Transenterix. We are optimistic that the results from the further studies of this new vaccine approach may offer a much needed, safe, and effective immunization alternative against the Rona. Now, Alterna will contribute its expertise and experience in preclinical developments and GMP compliant manufacturing to the project. Now, something to keep in mind with AEZS in particular is that this news sparked a big pre-market move. The main focus will likely be on whether shares can sustain these higher levels or if a pullback is going to be due if the stock is overbought. So let's take a look. This one, ticker symbol AEZS, today was up about 42.8% or about 30 cents per share, and it's currently trading at exactly $1. That's what we closed at. So down here, support level was around this 30 cents, 40 cents area. We saw volume continue to pick up throughout the beginning of the year. Once again, 12 million shares traded, 15 million, 22 million. We see about 5 to 10 million shares traded every day. But we see since the beginning of the year, it went from about 38 cents all the way up here to highs, like we just said, to over $1. So we saw it, make about 150, 200% gain just in a short period of time. Now, it looks like it's a little bit overbought. We might see a little bit of a pullback for the next few days. If that continues to happen, then hopefully volume continues to pick up after that and pushes back through. If we can push back through, break through that $1 resistance where we're at right now, if it actually breaks through that $1 resistance, our next resistance is going to be at that $1.25 level. If it can break through that $1.25 level, we can continue on up and make 52-week highs. So our price target for AEZS is going to be $1.25. If we can break through that, it can continue to go, but that's where I would take some profits if it was me being in that, situation. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below on this one. And as always, guys, I'm not telling you guys to buy any of these penny stocks. This is not financial advice. This is just for educational purposes. Before investing into any type of stocks, especially penny stocks that are very volatile, I would speak to your financial advisor, do some paper trading on Webull. Like I said, links in the description. Get your 4 free stocks when you sign up for Webull today. As always, guys, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification, leave a comment below. Are any of these penny stocks on your list? And what penny stocks are you trading right now? As always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope to see you guys next time. Goodbye.